Okay, it's cold and wet. I'm not really in a mood for doing much, but just to be different, I thought I'd do this. So, as we come round the corner, grinding wheel, a wet wheel, I do my gouges on that. All my chisels and planes I do by hand here. So I've got a couple of Dremels for doing bits and pieces. The old hand sharpening, decent size jointing machine here. Gets quite a reasonable amount of work. Little saw there, again, little delicate work I suppose. So all my drill bits and the like here, both imperial and metric. Bit of dust control. For small jobs, this is a really good drill. So control the speed and accuracy with the laser. So I do have what I consider one luxury. It's the domino machine. Underneath the outfeed, some of the other portable tools, jigsaws and planers and things like that. So as we come round, okay, that looks after the extraction on this bench, and also pipe work when I'm using sanders and the domino. Use this hose, bring it across the room to the table. Some of the hand tools, and of course you can never have enough clamps. Charge the batteries. A few more tools in there. Paint, varnish, some of the bigger clamps. This one's just for the lathe. Okay, my working bench. More hand tools in here. This little top bench when I'm doing dovetails and little delicate work, I suppose. Sanding. The other side of the cart. So in casters, I'll bring it a bit closer when I need to. When I'm doing my lathe work. There's dust for over the top of the sanding station. You don't want to go in there. Oh dear me. Alright, so just another bench. So all I've got is an aluminium rail with a measure. I do sort of like accurately measure, but that gives me a reasonable idea. Again, some hand tools there, so screwdrivers and squares. Table. A few more power tools under there. I've got a fixed sort of like a small round over there for when I'm doing lots of things rather than in and out with the router bit, so that like sits in there. Okay, miter saw, planer. This is dust central. Goes for all the big machines. It's hard to throw away wood, even little bits, you know, as big as your hand. Sometimes I'll throw something away and then I'll go back a week later looking for it. So, and the router table. So, there we go. That's my workshop in a nutshell.